Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the concept of atomic habits. Atomic habits are small daily routines that compound over time. These habits have the power to shape our lives in a profound way. By focusing on small changes, we can create long-lasting positive outcomes. The implication of atomic habits is that consistency is key to creating lasting change. They can help us break bad habits and develop healthier ones. For example, starting small by flossing one tooth per day can lead to better oral hygiene overall. Another example is reading just one page a day, which can develop into a reading habit. Atomic habits also work by making it easier to maintain momentum. They help avoid overwhelm by breaking down big tasks into manageable steps. By making small improvements daily, we can achieve significant results over time. Building atomic habits is all about making the desired behavior as easy as possible. They rely on repetition and consistency to become ingrained in our daily routine. These habits also help us build a sense of identity tied to positive behaviors. For instance, saying, "I am a healthy eater," can reinforce better food choices. The key is to make small changes that are sustainable for the long term. Atomic habits ultimately led to the creation of positive feedback loops. Each small success reinforces the desire to continue the habit. By focusing on small wins, we can stay motivated and on track towards our goals. So start implementing atomic habits today and watch how they transform your life for the better.